undoubtedly noticed the similarity to the 2020 Packer X New Balance 992 if you were all in on New Balance when the 992 was last available. With sweet caramel suede overlays on a lighter calcium foundation, Teddy's pair has a similar look. A unique, open mesh fabric is used on the tongue, and the underlays seem to be made of suede rather than their typical leather. Crucially, the shop photos that are included below display smaller New Balance branding due to their reduced size. All New Balance 992s in sizes 8.5 and below have smaller N emblems, whilst those in sizes 9 and up have bigger branding. Retailers have already started carrying the New Balance 992 Sweet Caramel AMD Calcium, thus a newbalance.com release is imminent. Retail price is $200.